Don't tell me you like Starbucks. Dunkin' is way better than the Starbucks. I'm sorry. No. I like Dunkin'. Dunkin' is way better. No. Every morning I get a Dunkin' and it's better. Starbucks is, I just don't like it. How could you like Starbucks? You're silly. No. What's so great about it? Tell me what's great about it. Well, you're wrong. No. You're a bird. You don't know any better. Yeah, see? Really? No, you're nutty. I still think it. Dunkin's the best. No, I'm sorry. You don't know. You don't know what you're talking about. Starbucks is not that great. It's Dunkin'. That's